Hi there everyone, I've just finished making a Google Chrome extension to make it easier to find reward flights on the Virgin Australia website, and I'll just show you how it works now. What you'll need to do is download the flightseats.io Google Chrome extension, and I'll put a link to that in the comments below, and then you're going to need to create a free account there if you don't have one already. Once you make an account, you'll be sent to the dashboard here where you can see your API key, and you're going to need to copy and paste that API key into this field here. And if you do that correctly, you should get a little notification saying API key valid here. If you make a mistake, it'll say not valid. So just make sure that you've got that correct, and make sure that this checkbox here is ticked to make sure that the extension is on. Once you've done that, you can go to the Virgin website here, and then you should be able to just proceed as normally, as if you're making a booking with Velocity points. So make sure you select that checkbox there, and then you put in your origin and your destination. Once you've done that, hit the next button down here, and then you will bring up the calendar view as normal. But you'll notice that there is some numbers here under some of the dates. And these dates that have numbers here are dates where there is a reward seat available, and this number is the number of points it will cost. So on these dates here, there are reward seats available for 44,800 points based on the route you've selected and the cabin class here. So you can click business, and then it will just filter out and only show you business dates that have reward seats in business class and how much they cost. So 95,500 points in this instance here. And you can change the date, and you can continue to see what the fares are like in the different months. If you want to filter by number of seats, then you can basically just pick a day, go to the next page. You can change the number of adults if you like, and then you can go back here, and it will now filter out seats based on the number of guests. So you can see there's now only one business reward seat date available now, 11th of September here, and that's because we're now filtering based on 3 adults. Whereas if we were back to 1 adult, you can see there's more dates here that are available. And likewise, if you are doing a return flight, you can pick a particular date here. There you go. Once you picked one date, then it will now go to only showing you the return journey. So now it's showing you dates that have reward flights for the return trip, which would be LAX back to Sydney. And now it's going back to showing you from Sydney to LAX. So we'll just keep alternating like that as you click between the calendar, and showing the return leg or the outbound leg. And that is pretty much how it works. I'd love for you to try it out if you get the chance. Let me know what you think of it. If you've got any ideas for ways to make it better, yeah, I'd love to hear from you. So thanks so much for watching.